The cell phone booster is designed to significantly enhance weak signals in areas up to 5,500 square feet, making it ideal for both home and office use. It supports all major U.S. carriers and provides an impressive boost to 5G, 4G LTE voice, text, and data signals, ensuring fewer dropped calls and faster streaming. With a maximum gain of 70 decibels and maximum output power of 17 decibel-milliwatts, this device delivers superior performance for improved connectivity. The booster is compatible with 5G technology and utilizes dynamic spectrum sharing to deliver exceptional speeds, provided there is existing 5G service in your area. Installation is straightforward with the included outdoor log periodic antenna, and the device is designed to comply with all FCC and IC guidelines, ensuring safe and effective use. This booster is a reliable option for those looking to enhance their signal strength without interrupting or compromising carrier signals.